Good morning. It's 9 o'clock in the morning, and I'm on the roof. I'm enjoying the soft sunshine. Actually, the sunshine has come out. It's not too hot, it's very soft, and really, I'm enjoying the sunshine. And in the morning sunshine, we should get some. I always try to come on my terrace in the morning time, and I like sitting in the sun. There is no one around me, and really, everything is very quiet. The birds are chirping, you can hear the sound of there, and really, I am enjoying the chirping sound. Actually, I have some vegetable plants, some fruit plants, and as well as some flower plants. Actually, I like gardening. Sometimes butterflies come here and sit on the flowers, and sometimes birds are also come here, and I keep the grains when I come on the roof. So that time I water the plants, I take care of them. Actually, I love gardening, so I have lot of flower plants. You can see it's a hibiscus plant, and hibiscus one of my favorite plant because it gives me lot of flower daily for puja. That's why I have 3 to 4 type of hibiscus flower plant. The children are on vacation, and really they are enjoying their vacation. Actually, I have two children. My son, he is 7 years old, and my daughter, she is 3 years old. Both of them are not sensible yet, so they always keep fighting each other. They can't play even for 5 minutes, really. So it is very hard for me to manage. Friends, as I told you, my children are sleeping right now, so whenever I get free time, I try to practice being a mother, being a housewife. Really, I have no time to make video, to practice. If you are living joint family, so you have to manage lot of things, and really I have a lot of work to do. I have no time to study, so while doing some work, cooking, and doing extra work, that time I think English in my mind, and I try to practice. Really, this is my way to practice. So friends, I would like to show you my mini garden. So meet my garden. Here is my garden. See, and one of my favorite plants, hibiscus, because it gives me daily flower. It's a aparajita. See, beauty of the flower. I think my children are calling me, so I will have to go downstairs. We will meet next video. Bye bye. Keep practicing, keep enjoying.